Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to manage contacts in HubSpot CRM using the easy method. This is a great way to clean up your address book on your sales session so you always know who you are talking to. Let's get into it. First, navigate to the main contacts screen. The first step is to open your internet browser, sign into your main account page, and find the specific directory folder where all your customer files live. Open your browser tab, log into your profile, move your pointer over to the top left corner of your screen and click on the word Contacts from the main menu bar. Click on the word Contacts a second time from the drop-down list to load your master names grid on the center screen. Because you cannot add or change people details from your regular activity stream, you have to open this dedicated address room for your project so the system can pull up your full list of saved names. Without this step, your screen will just show your overall charts instead of your actual customer list. Next, create a brand new contact. You need to learn how to add a completely new person to your digital phone book by typing their baseline details into the system. Look at the top right side of your screen, click on the bright orange button that says Create Contact, and wait for the blank side form to slide open. Type the person's email address, first name, last name, and phone number into the empty white entry boxes provided on your screen. Because typing in fresh names manually ensures your digital address book stays up to date after you meet a new customer. By filling out these basic fields, you give the system the correct foundation it needs to build a personal history page for that person. It ensures you have a dedicated slot saved for them in your main system memory. Next, update and edit existing contact info. Now you need to know how to open a profile that is already saved and change their details if they get a new phone number or a new email handle. Scroll down your main list, click directly on the blue name you want to change, and click inside the specific data box you want to edit. Erase the old, outdated text, type in the fresh new details, and click the blue Save button at the bottom left of the panel. Because people change their contact details all the time, and old data can cause you to send messages to the wrong place. By saving these updates, you keep your business books accurate and fresh. It is the key step to getting the right output because it keeps your communication lines open and working perfectly. Next, use filter lists to sort your people. The final step is to use the sorting tools at the top of your grid to separate your long list into small groups based on where they live or what they bought. Click on the button that says Advanced Filters, choose a category like City or Lead Status, and type in your sorting keyword. Watch your long master list shrink down until it only shows the exact group of people you were looking for, then save the view. Because scrolling through hundreds of names one by one takes up too much time when you're trying to work. Once you master how to filter your lists, you can find specific customer groups in just a few seconds. Now your digital directory is perfectly organized. And that's it. To manage contacts in HubSpot CRM, you must first go to the top menu and click Contacts. Then you click the orange button to create a new contact and type their details. Next, you click on any name to update and edit their existing info when it changes. Finally, you use the filter lists to sort your people into clean groups. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.